Hello guys, welcome. Today I will show you how you can set proxies, which is SockSwipe proxies on Mozilla Firefox. But for that you need to purchase SockSwipe proxy. As you can see, socksproxy.net 911 SY proxy and VIP 72.com. These are the trusted website which you should have. Purchase socks from this website only. Apart from them, there are several other free proxies. Then there is ProxyList and sockslist.net, but the free ones are not good, they all are dead, so do not use it. Always buy and purchase the socks from reputed website which I have told you. And then there is this checker also, in which you can paste your proxies and check whether they are live or dead. As you can see, this is the free proxy, so I will copy them and I will paste them on a checker. Okay, I will click on fill socks and then check. As you can see, process have now started. As you can see, how much I have pasted. Live is only few and die is 71. So I always tell you, do not use the free proxy, and which is free, they are blacklisted also, so always use paid proxy. Okay, since I have tools for SockSwipe proxy, I will use them. I have this gather proxy tool, so I will open it and take SockSwipe from them. As you can see, there are two more, Proxify and SockSwipe only. You should always click on SockSwipe only, and it is on gather proxy, thread 50, timeout 30, and click on start. Okay, now the process of gathering proxies will begin. As you can see on downside, it is starting, it will take few times. So now as you can see, the first proxy, second proxy along with has started giving it. So let's wait for few more minutes. It requires more time to do its work. So as you can see, it is processing proxies. So now I have this much proxies ongoing, close to 700. Now I will stop them. Okay, I will use, these are the live proxies, so I will use, let's say, this proxy. Okay, I will click copy. It is copied. I will stop that. Now filtering and checking process will begin. Okay, so as you can see here, there is a live section, how much proxies are good, how much proxies are bad, but I will show you now how it is done. So in this case I have to click here, go in options, then scroll down, then there will be network setting, click on setting. Here it is use system proxy setting, we will click on manual proxy configuration, and here we will paste the proxies which we have. And then we will click on OK. Now it is based on SockSwipe. So as you can see, I am in India, this is my ISP, city is Dombivli, region Maharashtra. So now what we will do, okay, now we will duplicate tab. As you can see, here is Dombivli, and now it is shared to United Nations region, New York City, New York, ISP DigitalOcean Services Network Sharing Center. And as you can see here, ISP city, region and country are totally different, so that's why I recommend you should use SockSwipe proxy instead of VPN while doing carding, as you can see. Okay, now if you have problem that you are unable to connect internet, then after your operation is completed, click on options, go on network setting, and then again click on system proxy setting after you have done carding. Okay, so now it will be changed, as you can see. Now once again this is showing my address, so that was SOCKS proxy. This proxy was SOCKS proxy of United States. Okay, so that's why I always recommend you should use SOCKSY. And to check whether that your browser is blacklisted or not, you should visit check to IP. You can always see whether your IP is blacklisted or not using these websites. Okay, thanks for watching.